Alright guys, here's the day you guys been waiting for. Today we're dissecting or disabling this entire battery Nissan Leaf. As you guys can see right here, all connectors and liquid cooling, and I already took the huge, I think it's a fuse disconnect is out. So I'm gonna go through the process here and trying to get this guy out. And this is the specs right here. It's a Nissan Leaf 2011 vehicle. Okay, so this one was bolted right by the chassis or whatever on the ground on the car, and as I'm going through all the process, taking all the bolts or the screws off, you can see it's almost there, but we have to go through a lot of process. You can see it's almost there for this cover to be out. Trying to figure out how this thing comes out, and we have encounter some issues here with a special tool which I don't think I have to check at the store. And we're gonna go through this guy here. You guys can see some wires down there, so stay tuned for that. And you can see from Nissan, so stay tuned. And this thing probably is 600, I think they said it's about 660, 650 approximately pounds. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.